If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So this was a request by a few of my viewers, so let's take a look at NIO. And I can see why everyone is looking bullish, because the chart definitely looks bullish, at least in the short term, and I'll explain why I think so. So it looks like prices had a hard time breaking through this $13 level. It looks like we had a little double bottom before reversing back up. Now we're starting to make higher highs and higher lows in the short term. I mean, we're not making higher highs and higher lows in the long term like in the past, but at least we're seeing some type of bullish action off of this $13 level. So we are working inside this uptrend, working higher. It looks like prices are trying to come back to this $22, $23 level. Now if we break this $22 or $23 level, I think we can easily reach the $28 level. Let me put a horizontal line where I think we can come back to, which is right around this $24 level. And if we break it, I think we can enter the $28 level. So the chart looks bullish, at least in the short term. I think we're going to come back up to here, the $24 level. That's where the measured move is also pointing at. You can see this was the first leg up right here, and then we made another leg up. Let me move my arrow. Right at the tip of this arrow is when we saw a sell-off, but it looks like we're going up again. So there's good chance we're going to be making a larger leg up. Now if I do that, the target is exactly right at the 24.51 level. So right around this $24 level is, I think, where prices are trying to go to. Now, in the grand scheme of things, this is still a downtrend. If I zoom out, you see if I zoom in, it looks bullish. If you're just trading this chart, you'd be probably looking for longs to this $24 level. Now, if I zoom out, you can see that we've been going down since January 2021. So more than a year, we've been going down. Now, if I connect the swings, you can see that overall, this looks just like a pullback in this downtrend. So let's go make this yellow. So looks like a pullback in this downtrend, just like we had over here. We had a massive pullback in a downtrend right over here. We had another nice pullback. This one also is a pullback. So we can still find resistance over here. I think we could probably get the same type of reaction just like Alibaba, where we had a break outside the channel. So that's what I'm expecting NIO to do, and it would make sense for NIO to do that, because once we get that break outside, the pattern will complete shortly after. So I'm looking for higher prices. This chart definitely looks bullish. You can see the EMA starting to curl over, starting to point to the top side. We're making higher highs, higher lows. The measure move is pointing at the $24 level, and we got a nice bounce from that $13.50 level. So everything is pointing up to the top side, but I'll be still looking for shorts once we enter between the $24 and $28 level if I was trading this chart, because the overall pattern and bias is still down, even though we have this short-term counter trend move towards the top side. So that's everything I see on the daily chart. We can wrap this up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for NIO, N-I-O. Put a horizontal line where prices found some support, which is right around this breakout level. You see that we bounced from here a couple times before continuing higher. Looks like we just closed right at the EMA this past Friday. So I think we might get a close above the EMA like we did back in November 2021. So the chart definitely looks bullish, at least in the short term. I don't think we have bottomed, but again, nothing's guaranteed. If we do continue much higher and we don't look back, then I gotta switch my bias and say, hey, there's a good chance we probably bottomed and we're gonna be continuing higher. But as right now, I'm still bearish. I think we could get rejected from this channel right here. We did come up short on this side of the channel, which is leading to a breakout on this side. So this is the pattern I can see play out before some type of reversal in the future. So I'm looking for this bounce up, back up to that $27, $28 level, and then another push down to complete the pattern lower. Is there any measured moves? Well, we did have one that played out. This was the first leg down. This was the second leg down. You can see right at the tip of this arrow is the 1861 level. We did surpass it, but we started going sideways from here. So I'm looking for that $24 level to be reached at least, and maybe even the $28 if the market is really bullish. So Chinese stocks could be a leading indicator. I've just noticed that. Seems like their pattern is playing out faster than their American counterparts. So if we see a reversal in Chinese stocks, maybe American stocks will follow shortly after, maybe a few months. So Chinese stocks could be leading because they were the ones who sold off much earlier than the the American stocks. So that's everything I have for NIO. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time and bye.